Let's get in a word from Pavit and Yavar, both of them who are joining us live right now. Pavit is right there, I'm told, as far as the Atari-Wagah border is also concerned. We have seen a slew of measures that have also been announced by India. And Pavit, one of them that we speak of is when it comes to the movement there at the checkpost. The integrated checkpost at Atari has now been closed with immediate effect.
Yes, exactly, in a sweeping response to the deadly attack that took place in Pahalgam on Wednesday. Strict measures, including the strategic and diplomatic measures, have been taken by the Indian side. And right now I'm present at the Wagah-Atari border, and right in front of me is the integrated checkpost of Atari. As we are well aware that the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed that during a press conference that the integrated checkpost at Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through the route before May 1, 2025. He said that effectively he has given a narrow window for the existing travelers to return. So the Wagah-Atari border, located near Amritsar in Punjab, has served a long symbolic and functional channel for limited trade and people-to-people contact between India and Pakistan. It is the only road, let me tell you, which crosses open to civilian passengers. With new orders, even this narrow avenue of engagement has now been sealed. So the border closure is hugely symbolic. It is on the Atari-Wagah crossings that crowds gather each evening to cheer on their nation's soldiers as they goose step in the chest-puffing theoretical ritual symbolizing the country's rivalry. So the daily border ritual, which began in 1959, has been called off by today. That no retreat ceremony, and adding to the unprecedented measures, India has also suspended many other initiatives which were earlier taken by it, which is a move with potentially severe consequences for the water access.
As Pavit is pointing out, when it comes to the retreat ceremonies that have also been put on hold there as the border, and the announcement that came in from the government of India, those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that same route before the 1st of May 2025. That is a strict instruction that has now come across as far as government of India's action against Pakistan is concerned.